Someday, we might meet a tough alley cat. Meow! Yes, Mama. I'm a tough alley cat, too.
Hey there. You're coming on. I bet you're a real tiger in your neighborhood.
Yeah, that's because I practice all the time.
Now, Toulouse, Toulouse, come along, dear.
Yes, Mama.
See you around, tiger. I've learned to live with it.
I'll show him. Meow!
Hey, cool it, you little tiger. That guy's dynamite.
But he called us tramps. Meow! Meow!